If you're in Oslo and need to get to the airport quickly, Flytoget is the way to go. First things first, the Flytoget machines are right next to the regular train ticket machines, near the big departure and arrivals board in the middle of the station. Here's how to do it. Tap Buy Ticket. Choose one-way or round trip. Round trip is valid for 90 days, but we're just getting a one-way. Select your ticket type and how many you need. Select Pay. Confirm your start point, Oslo S, and destination, Oslo Airport. And pay with your card, easy peasy. A one-way ticket costs about $20 US or 240 Norwegian krones. So keep that in mind for your budget. The next screen will show you that trains run about every 20 minutes and the ride itself takes only 22 minutes, but definitely check ahead of time because schedules can change. It also told us we're on track 13, but we always like to double check. You can also find the track info on the main board in the center of the station. So yep, track 13 it is. Since our train is leaving soon, we're making our way there. Thankfully, Oslo Central Station has great signs, so it's super easy to find your platform. And we found it! When the train arrives, you have to push the button to open the doors. We totally missed this on another train ride and just stood there waiting for the doors to open. Like, are they broken? Spoiler, they weren't. Once inside, you'll find luggage racks right away. The bigger bags go at the bottom. We chose Flytoget because while there's a cheaper regional train, it can get really packed during the rush hour. We just didn't want to deal with it. It's a high-speed train that takes you straight there. No stops, no stress. The ride itself is super comfy, quiet, and fast. And just like that, we're at Oslo Airport. Signs make it really easy to find your way into the airport. We took the escalator up, but there's also an elevator if you have more luggage or need accessibility. And that's it! Smooth, simple, and no hassle. Hope this helps make your trip easier. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels, everyone!